10 straight days I hit upload. No breaks, no pause, just full creator mode. Ideas flew fast, some flopped, some soared. But what I learned can't be ignored. There's one key change I'll share at the very end of this video that turned my views from flat to trend. Before we start this creator crusade, click subscribe. Let's build this wave I've made. Day 1 felt fun. My energy was so high. Day 2 came quick. I won't lie. Editing late, no sleep in sight. Still, I posted. Felt so right. Consistency hit me like a spark. My channel slowly lit the dark. If you like this rhyme and the grind I show, go ahead and like this video. By day 5, the pressure grew, but something inside began to renew. My ideas got sharper, my voice more clear. I started to feel that creator jet. Now tell me, friend, be honest though, could you post daily? What would you do? Drop your thoughts down, don't just vent. Leave a comment and let's connect. Day 7 came, my mood was split. Views were low but I didn't quit. And here's a secret you'll soon see. What happened next shocked even me. Before I reveal it, just to be fair, help someone grow too, man. Share this video everywhere and anywhere, both far and near. Day 10 arrived. I checked the screen, numbers up, my focus keen. The secret? I stopped chasing fame, guys, and fell in love with the creation game. That mindset shift changed everything. And now I post with the joy it brings. Hit on post notification to stay in tune and watch the end screen next. More magic coming soon.